It's time for Show Off Sunday, where everyone has a chance to show off their own car, and here's this week's winner.
What's going on, guys? I'm Zach. This is a video for the Scotty Kilmer channel. I seen a video on there about 2 weeks ago maybe of Plasti Dip, and I used to use Plasti Dip a lot. It's a great product. I actually have it on the wheels right now, but I figured I'd do a quick show off of what a good vinyl wrap could look like. This vinyl wrap's been on the car for a while now. It does have its issues. I usually switch it up a lot. I do a small vinyl wrap business that we're currently looking to get another garage and get everything situated there, but we still do business and whatnot. We just try to tell everybody, a lot of people get a misconception about vinyl wrap, and that it's bad, it's different things like that. And so I wanted to just make a quick video of the possibilities of it. I change my vinyl wrap usually every 4 months, I would say, and I change it like this and whatnot, just for more or less getting the name out. So the car is very well known. I had it chrome gold before this, which looked pretty cool as well. And this was just more or less one for this winter. It's just something to protect the paint, because it does protect the paint. Vinyl wraps, they're really good for protecting paint, and causing less wear on the car, really, and you could get good looks out of it. So another thing, a lot of people don't think you could wash these in a car wash. I just got it out of the car wash, actually. It usually has no effect to it. You can see a lot of little hairline scratches. That is something that you'll experience with any chromes or something of this nature. Normal vinyl, like here's carbon fiber hood, for instance. This is wrapped in carbon fiber, and this has actually been on here for maybe 2 years, and it holds up real good. Other things like this, not as good. It depends where. This, like I said, this has been on all winter. This is my daily car, so little issue is starting to come up right there where it's peeling up. Where we had the knifeless tape go across, it's starting to come up a little bit, but it's whatever. This, like I said, it doesn't last forever. The materials like this and chrome usually aren't going to last as long. This has been driven through snow and probably 20,000 miles since I put the vinyl on it. It's actually been used a lot, so there's definitely some signs of wear, but for the most part, nothing really wrong with the vehicle itself. So what can you do? A lot of I don't know if you can see any now, but a lot of these vehicles that you see that have pictures and whatnot, it's all vinyl, just like this. So you can do that, or you can do any colors, and it's very cheap to do. There's a lot of shops that'll overcharge and whatnot, but you figure something. If I wanted to do this white, we would usually charge about $1,000, maybe a little less depending on the car, what material you want to go with. 3M has some good ones, Avery. This is actually a Vivid concept material here that I decided to go with and just try it. Like I said, I don't really use them on too long. I kind of like the clean look, your matte colors and whatnot, but it's something. Thanks. Okay, so you get that a lot with wraps like this, where a lot of people like to come take a look at it. They've never seen anything like it. So yeah, we're getting ready to rip this off. We had a problem with the back trunk. We had this ordered, and I did my front bumper and the fenders with it. Well, I got in a little bit of a fender bender, I guess you would say, and the front bumper needed to be replaced. It was already wrapped. It was a fresh wrap, so I had to use that material. Then I didn't end up having enough for the trunk, and it's a concept wrap, so they were out of stock, and so I never really got to that. I was gonna actually just replace the trunk with a carbon fiber one, but sometimes, like in the shade like this, it really doesn't have much of a color. It's like a gray wrap. This is known as black holographic, by the way. They make a silver holographic version. My buddy actually put it on his BMW i8, so we're kind of matching there. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, hit me up on Instagram. This actually is an old tag. I just realized I gotta take that off, but my Instagram is e92_Zach. You'll see fresh pictures of the car all the time. Like I said, we're getting rid of this wrap. We're gonna be putting a new one on. Not too sure what I'm gonna go with. I really like Battleship Gray. It's a nice 3M wrap. So yeah, if you want to stay updated on some pictures, definitely check it out. I do have a YouTube channel I post some vinyl wrapping videos on. That's Zach Cavs, ZACHCAVS. But yeah, some other quick things about the car, what we're doing to it, what's been done. We got a new set of wheels for it, so those are coming on right after we get rid of all the snow and whatnot. Potholes are horrible right now. New wheels, definitely. Might as well show under the hood. This is a BMW 335i Coupe. It's an E92 chassis, more or less known for the tunability. It's a twin turbo inline six stock. A little bit dirty. Oh yeah, it is dirty. I really can't do much in the wintertime. It's too cold out here. But yeah, we got the dual cone intake, catless downpipes down there, upgraded intercooler. We actually are looking to do a single turbo conversion too, so we'll have to relocate that over there, do a couple other things, get rid of the old boost solenoids. Single turbo is the way to go with these. Upgraded twins are also an option, but you know, stock from the factory, they make 300 of the wheels, 1,500 bucks in bolt-ons. You're making 450, 500 horsepower. And I run E85 on this too. The JB4 Tune allows an E85 mix on the stock fuel pump and whatnot. It's a mix. It's definitely recommended to get port injection and upgraded fuel pumps, which I'll be doing with the turbo upgrade. But yeah, it's a quick overview of the car. That's about it. See you guys later.
Well, that was this week's video, and remember, to have your car video highlighted here on my channel, check this out! So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell!